Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on scanners and screeners. And this video, I'm going to discuss about one of the scanner, which I'm going to looking for trade opportunity at selling at highest level. So based on EMA along with inverted hammer candle. So it may be a good trend reversal that I'm just looking out to find out such a scanners and screeners by using a charting scanner. So it may be a powerful tool to find out trades by using or filtering out the stocks by easily with this particular scan. Okay, I'm just going to create how that scan looks like. Previously, we are creating a hammer. So we are looking what that was taking a support at a moving average. So here I am just taken out the candle is so far away from the moving average and which forming a such a pattern. So here you can see there is an inverted hammer. So that forms in a top level. So there is a gap between the moving average. It's so high. Maybe that chances for retracing to that moving average level that should be possible in future. So if the stock which taking a retracement, that may be a downtrend which can be find out in the highest level. That is the main logic which I'm just focusing out. So after this low is broken, we can expect it can be testing the 50 EMA. I'm using a 50 EMA period. The 50 EMA level is around 133.85 at this moment, and that stock is trading around 149.3. So maybe we are expecting that level to reach, or if the moving average is still keep on rising, so maybe at the time it is going to meet that moving average. Same like that, you can see there is a huge movement which is happening, and from that it came down and tested to the level, again went up, again the second time, and third time and fourth time, and it is moving. So because market nature is always up and down, so we have to try to find out such a kind of opportunities. Maybe already we made a scanner to find such an opportunity. Instead of that, we should pull back, or we should wait for a reversal at the top level, that we simply using this particular scanners to find out. So here there is a one more prior opportunity that this time the market is tested that level EMA 50 and it bounces back. So one more time it is came down and it bounces back. So here this time it doesn't forming any pattern, but this is one of the pattern. It is forming a such a pattern like a fair value gap. That gap is triggered and then it came down. So it is an FUG gap. So that is also we made a scanner fair value gap, how to find out a fair value gap more than 2%, 3%. So we already previously made it, and such a kind of scanners available on my premium group. So where you can access all my premium scanner. Okay, so let me try to create that scanner into customized way. So let me open a charting, and I just going for a creative scanner, but I just used with a customized indicator because that will give me a clear trend filter method. Okay, or clear identification. So I have a lot of customized scanners which I used for my trading system. Sorry, wait a moment. I need to change this. Charting. Okay, so I'm just going to create a scan, and I'm always looking for a future and option stocks having good liquidity and volume. So I'm just going for a open low. So this is one of the customized indicator which I used for my scanner creation. So that will, because in the charting, so we can't compare four more than two. So here I'm just comparing three or four values. So why I'm using customized indicator. So that is very important. While customized indicator, you can create many values. That means more than two filter. But if you are using a normal scanner, you will be not able to create more than two filters. Okay, that is why I'm using customized indicator. So it must be less than here. So those are my condition which I'm looking for a hammer, the inverted hammer which is happening about to the uh, EMA 50 period. So this is the one line which I have done. So the second one, I just should go for the particular range. that should be multiplied by, sorry, if you are, what I'm just doing it here, we are going to find out the wick of the particular candle should be higher than the body of the candle. That is what the condition which I'm creating here, must be greater than somewhere around the candle size. Okay, and the body of the candle that I derived with the custom indicator. And finally, we are looking for that negative candle. Okay, so that is a simple condition. The daily close must be less than the open price, daily open price. Okay, so this will simply filter out stock forming a inverted hammer. So as you know, SAIL, Nestle and Godrej consumer product. So SAIL, it is forming an exact pattern what I'm exactly looking for. So the body is very tight. The wick of this on higher side should be very big. So we are looking at this kind of candle. So exactly we find out. And one more stock, three stocks we find out. Godrej CP, consumer product. So, but in this case, you can look at this, that pattern which is forming below to the EMA. But I don't want to go for it is forming below to the EMA. I want to focus only above to the EMA. So that one more condition we need to add it. And previously we are looking for an hammer to rejection from 50 EMA, that it is giving you such a good result. Okay, so reversal pattern which happening on EMA or SMA, whatever, so maybe working but well and good. So we done this, and finally SAIL, Godrej Properties and Nestle. Okay, Nestle India. Okay, that is what exactly happening at the same EMA level. So the price is 2546 and 2546.65 and 10. So it is slightly lower than, but it is exactly at that EMA period. So I don't want to those stocks. I want to only the stock which is forming such a pattern that should be greater than the particular EMA. So must be this the daily close or daily low, it must be greater than the EMA, where I am using the EMA closing period 50 period. So those what are a full scanner list where I am just simply funding out. Where you can see the SAIL authority is the only stock. So we initially we seen three, but by using this filter we find out three stocks. Now using that conditions of moving average above, we have only one stocks. Maybe we can look for inside bar, and there's a highest level huge rejection like a spinning top. Next candle should be a inverted hammer. We can expect that can be possibility to test that level of the EMA support. Okay, so one more condition. So if I'm just saving the scan, we will be finding a lot of stocks maybe. So I'll save as a test to get the back test, and it will be getting the scanner will be updated on the premium group tomorrow. So we will be finding a lot of stocks. Maybe randomly we can go for on 7th March SAIL again. That one which you have seen 7th March, here is the 7th March. At the same time Arrow Pharma, National Aluminium, Arrow Pharma 7th March, and this is what a low, and SAIL, Arrow Pharma, National Aluminium, JK Cement. JK Cement is the one more thing. So here is the point on 7th March, and it broken and it was tested to the level, and finally we are looking for National Aluminium. So National Aluminium is the final one, so where it is a 7th March. So most of the stock which is retraced to that level. But one more thing, so here previously this high and the recent swing high is greater than this high. Maybe if I'm going to keep a trade here below breakdown, maybe I just keep my stop loss at this level. Okay, so the recent swing high. All other stocks you can let's check it how it is all other stocks are working. If you are keeping in the candle low, it may be possibility to trigger, but here the swing high is big, and previous one here is the swing and it may be triggered and then came down, and this one here it is not triggered and it was giving you such a good result. I don't worried about it, but I want to filter out one more conditions. Okay, so that will help you to find out in non-repaint way. Okay, so daily, sorry, I have that particular candle, so maybe we will be getting very least number of stocks. Okay, must be greater than max period, so maybe 20 high. Let me check. Should be one day ago. Okay. No stocks. Yeah. So we have a very few number of stocks. On March 4th, we have IEX and Glenmark. So let me go for IEX. This is what the thing which I'm exactly looking for. Maybe this is the March 4th. And the same candle should be the highest level in the previous swing. So maybe here above we can keep a stop. Hope you understood a previous one and this one. So adding one more condition, this is the highest level and this low, and that was a good downside. That is what a condition which you have added, that high of that particular candle should be the greatest level. Glenmark, and this will never repeat. We have fixed it. Glenmark here. Okay. Even the stock will be on the backtest result. Okay. And it is breaks. So if some of the scanners which you are using, once the stop loss is triggered, this is what your stop loss. If it is stop, it means that stocks will be removed from this list. But in this case, that never. But it already tested to the level and bounces back. But even if it is goes above to the level also, it will never repeat. So that is what the most important conditions, where a lot of scanners and screeners give you the good backtest result. But in real time, the stocks are came into the scanner and it will be removed and very soon. Okay, but in this case, we are not using that kind of conditions. Okay, and one more, say 5th of March, BEL and Manappuram. Let me check exactly the top level. BEL and the date of here, you can see BEL maybe a stop loss kind of trade here, 5th of March. You can see 5th of March. Maybe if I'm taking a trade based on this condition. So here low is my entry point, and that candle high, if I'm keeping as a stop loss, that would broken. So because next what happen, it's going to happen, we don't know. Okay, in this case, this is a candle which forming at a pattern. So maybe I'm just keeping a low below as my entry, and that a high is my stop loss. Okay, so after that, I'm expecting the market will move down. But next candle, what happened? It is giving me entry, but by the next candle, it is triggers my stop loss. But even after stop loss, the stock would be on the list. So that is called a non-repeat. But again, second time, there is an opportunity because market is on the highest level, we can expect for a trend reversal. Second time, the same risk which I have taken. Second time, it doesn't broke the level. So what is exactly the risk which I have taken on this candle? 213.75, 209.85, just about 4 rupees. That 4 rupees first time trigger, second time. From that level, how much it taken as a support? That means the EMA which is almost 191. So 18 points where it is fall down and then bounces back. My logic is to the market will came down to the EMA support level. Manappuram and the same date. Manappuram, that is one. On 5th March, the next day it broke in and huge drop and then bounces back. I hope a lot of stocks will be there here. I don't want to back test it here, but this scanner will never repaint. So we will submit, we will be getting a lot of stocks, but comparatively the previous one. So we have n number of stocks previously. Okay, so we can see, and now by using this filter, we will be finding very few number of stocks to focus at a highest level to trend reversal in the highest level selling. So I hope you enjoyed this session. Hope you like this video, hit your like button. If you have any questions or a doubt, just ping me in my comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.